In this video, I'm going to show you 3 Galaxy S26 Ultra S Pen features that actually save time if you are a busy person. One helps you give faster feedback using screenshots, and one helps you review and sign documents without printing. If you barely use the S Pen, these are the 3 settings I will start with. The first one is screen off Momo. This is for moments when an idea, reminder, or task comes to you and you need to capture it quickly. Normally, you will unlock your phone, open your note app, create a new note, and start typing. But with the S Pen, when your screen is off, you can just pull out the S Pen and start writing. Save it, and later you will find it inside Samsung Notes. This is useful because they help you capture important thoughts before they disappear. The second feature is screenshot markups. This is useful if you work with a designer, editor, assistant, client, or a team member. Instead of explaining everything in a long message, take a screenshot. Use the S Pen to circle the most important area, draw an arrow, or write a short note. It could be a website, thumbnail, video frame, document, or anything you want somebody to understand quickly. The person does not have to guess what you mean. They can see it immediately. And when your feedback is clear, you reduce front and back. The third feature is reviewing and signing documents without printing. When someone sends you a document, you don't have to print it, sign it, scan it, and send it back. Open the PDF on your Galaxy S26 Ultra, use the S Pen to mark it up, highlight section, write comments, and sign it. This is where the S Pen is much better than your finger. Your finger is too big for small details, and signature can look messy. With the S Pen, you can circle cleaner, write smaller notes, and sign more naturally. So instead of using a printer or a scanner, you can review the document, sign it, save it, and share it from your phone. For business owners, freelancers, managers, or anyone who deals with documents, this is a practical feature. So those are the 3 S Pen features that actually saves time. Screen off Momo helps you capture ideas quickly. Screenshot markups helps you give clearer feedbacks. And PDF signing helps you handle documents without printing. The S Pen is not something I would use for everything, but for those 3 things, it is genuinely useful. If you want more short, practical S26 tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.